Every presidential aircraft begins inside one of the world's most advanced aerospace factories. Thousands of precision components will soon become a flying command center. Aircraft-grade aluminum alloy forms the lightweight structural foundation. Every sheet is inspected before manufacturing begins. Computer-controlled laser systems cut each fuselage panel with micron precision. Accuracy at this stage ensures perfect aircraft assembly.
Each cut panel receives precision edge finishing. Smooth edges prevent stress fractures during flight.
Automated inspection confirms every dimension. Only perfect panels continue forward.
Titanium frames provide exceptional strength with minimal weight. 5-axis machining creates complex structural geometry. Hundreds of structural ribs support the aircraft body. Each component is individually tracked. Robotic drilling systems create thousands of precision rivet holes across every titanium frame. Each hole must align perfectly to guarantee maximum structural strength during
Ultrasonic cleaning removes microscopic contaminants. Clean surfaces ensure maximum structural integrity.
The fuselage skeleton begins taking shape. Precision jigs maintain exact aircraft geometry. Frame by frame, the aircraft structure grows. Temporary fasteners hold everything in perfect alignment. Long structural stringers reinforce the fuselage. They distribute stress throughout the aircraft. Thousands of aerospace rivets permanently join the structure. Automation guarantees consistent fastening force. Every joint undergoes meticulous inspection. No defect is allowed to continue.
Precision-cut aluminum skin is installed. The aircraft exterior begins to appear.
Computer-guided riveting secures every skin panel. Structural strength increases with each connection. Flush rivets minimize aerodynamic drag. Every surface is measured precisely. The aerodynamic nose section takes shape. Composite materials reduce overall weight. The reinforced cockpit frame is permanently joined. Laser welding delivers exceptional precision.
The cockpit is integrated with the forward fuselage. Alignment is verified repeatedly. Critical structural bolts receive exact torque values. Every fastener is digitally recorded.
Pressure bulkheads maintain cabin pressurization. They are essential for high-altitude flight.
Aerospace sealant protects every structural joint. It prevents moisture and pressure leaks. Every sealed joint undergoes digital inspection. Only flawless sections move ahead.
The aircraft body continues expanding. Large fuselage sections are prepared for joining.
The forward and center fuselage are brought together. The presidential aircraft now begins to resemble its final form. The forward and center fuselage sections are permanently aligned. Laser guidance ensures perfect structural accuracy.
Automated riveting permanently joins the aircraft structure. Every fastener is installed with identical force.
Every structural joint undergoes non-destructive testing. Only flawless assemblies move forward. The aircraft wings begin with massive aluminum spars. These beams carry the aircraft's flight loads. Computer-controlled machining reduces weight without sacrificing strength. Every cut follows an exact engineering model. Internal wing ribs define the aerodynamic profile. They also reinforce the entire wing structure. The internal wing framework begins taking shape. Every rib is positioned within fractions of a millimeter. Carbon fiber skins provide strength with minimal weight. Each panel is visually inspected before installation.
The wing exterior is fitted over its internal structure. Precise alignment is critical for aerodynamic performance.
Thousands of aerospace fasteners secure the wing. Every connection is digitally monitored. The wing fuel tanks receive specialized aerospace sealant. This prevents leaks under extreme conditions. Pressurized testing verifies complete fuel system integrity. Every compartment must remain perfectly sealed.
Flight control surfaces are built separately. They will later provide precise aircraft control.
Precision hinges allow smooth flight control movement. Each fastener receives exact torque.
The completed wings are carefully transported. Every movement is controlled with millimeter precision.
The aircraft's left wing is positioned for installation. Precision lifting prevents structural stress. Laser alignment guaranteed a perfect wing fit. Every reference point is verified repeatedly. The left wing is permanently attached. Massive titanium bolts transfer flight loads safely. The right wing follows the same precision process. Symmetry is essential for stable flight.
The aircraft now carries both completed wings. The airframe begins resembling its final form.
Advanced inspection verifies wing alignment. Even tiny deviations are corrected immediately. The aircraft's vertical stabilizer is manufactured from advanced composites. Autoclave curing creates exceptional strength.
The tail structure is assembled with robotic precision. It will provide directional stability in flight.
Horizontal stabilizers balance the aircraft during flight. They combine lightweight composites with titanium strength.
The completed tail assembly moves into position. Precise lifting protects every structural component. The primary airframe is now fully assembled. Next comes the complex installation of engines, wiring, and onboard systems. With the airframe complete, attention turns to propulsion. Each turbofan engine undergoes final inspection before installation.
The first engine is carefully aligned with its wing pylon. Laser guidance guarantees an exact fit.
Titanium mounting bolts permanently secure the engine. Every bolt is tightened to certified aerospace standards. The second engine follows the identical installation process. Balanced installation ensures perfect symmetry.
Both engines are now permanently installed. The aircraft has gained its complete propulsion system. Fuel delivery lines connect the engines to the wing tanks. Every connection is sealed against extreme pressure.
Hydraulic systems provide the power behind the aircraft's critical flight controls. Every hydraulic line is meticulously routed.
Every hydraulic circuit undergoes pressure testing. Stable pressure confirms leak-free operation.
The landing gear is engineered to support enormous loads. Forged titanium provides exceptional durability.
The main landing gear locks into reinforced fuselage mounts. Precision alignment ensures smooth operation. The nose landing gear completes the aircraft's support system. It also enables accurate ground steering.
The landing gear is cycled through repeated tests. Reliable deployment is essential for safe operation. Thousands of electrical cables connect every onboard system. Each wire follows a carefully documented route.
Every electrical connector is individually verified. Accurate wiring ensures reliable aircraft systems. The aircraft's electronic brain is installed. Advanced computers coordinate every major system.
Modern digital displays transform the cockpit. They provide pilots with real-time flight information.
Primary flight controls are carefully installed. Each control is checked for smooth movement.
The cockpit comes alive during its first power-up. Automated diagnostics verify every electronic system. The environmental control system manages cabin temperature and airflow. It ensures passenger comfort throughout the flight.
Conditioned air is distributed through insulated ductwork. Every connection is sealed for maximum efficiency.
Insulation reduces both cabin noise and temperature changes. It also improves passenger comfort. The aircraft floor forms the base for the luxury interior. It is engineered for strength and lightweight performance.
Interior wall structures prepare the aircraft for luxury finishing. They also conceal complex onboard systems.
The VIP section is prepared for handcrafted furnishings. Every dimension is measured with exceptional precision.
Premium materials are selected for the presidential cabin. Each piece is individually inspected before installation.
The presidential cabin begins its remarkable transformation. The next stage focuses on luxury interiors, testing, painting, and final delivery.
Handcrafted walnut panels transform the aircraft into a luxury executive cabin. Every panel is fitted with millimeter precision. Luxury flooring enhances comfort while reducing cabin noise. Every section is custom fitted to the aircraft.
Executive seating is installed on reinforced floor rails. Each seat combines luxury with certified aviation safety.
Each executive seat receives dedicated electrical connections. Comfort and communication systems are fully integrated. The presidential conference area is assembled. It serves as a secure workspace during flight. Secure communication equipment is integrated throughout the cabin. The aircraft functions as a mobile command center. The executive galley supports long-range international missions. Every appliance is certified for aviation use. Programmable LED lighting creates a comfortable cabin environment. Lighting scenes adapt to every stage of flight.
The completed interior undergoes a detailed quality inspection. Every finish must meet strict aerospace standards. The aircraft exterior is thoroughly cleaned before painting. A perfectly prepared surface ensures flawless adhesion.
A protective primer shields the aircraft from corrosion. It also prepares the surface for its final finish.
Multiple paint layers create a durable, mirror-like finish. Every coating is measured for uniform thickness. The aircraft enters a controlled curing environment. Careful temperature management ensures maximum paint durability. The finished paintwork is polished to a brilliant shine. The smooth surface also improves aerodynamic efficiency. The engines are started for their first operational test. Engine performance is monitored in real time.
Maximum thrust testing confirms engine reliability. Every performance parameter is carefully analyzed.
Every flight control surface is tested repeatedly. Smooth operation confirms complete hydraulic integrity. The aircraft performs its first ground movement. Taxi testing verifies steering and braking performance. Final checks are completed before the maiden flight. Every system receives one last inspection. The completed aircraft makes its maiden flight. Years of engineering now become airborne.
Flight testing evaluates stability and aircraft performance. Real-time data confirms every design requirement.
A successful landing completes the primary flight evaluation. The aircraft demonstrates stable handling throughout the mission.
A comprehensive inspection follows flight testing. Every certified component is verified one final time. The aircraft receives its final presentation finish. Every detail reflects exceptional craftsmanship.
The completed aircraft leaves the assembly hall. It is ready for official acceptance.
After passing every inspection, the aircraft receives final certification. It is officially accepted for operational service.
Engines. From raw aerospace materials to a fully completed presidential aircraft, every stage demanded extraordinary